Once upon a time, in a vibrant, blossom-filled meadow, lived a humble butterfly named Blossom. Blossom was admired by all, with wings as bright as sunset and a proboscis as long as a blade of grass. However, she struggled to drink nectar from the deep, narrow flowers. One day, a wise old bee named Buzz noticed her plight. "Blossom," he said, "your long proboscis is a gift, not a burden. Learn to coil it and you shall feast on the sweetest nectar." Blossom, feeling discouraged, replied, "But how can I coil a proboscis so long?" Buzz, with a twinkle in his eyes, suggested, "Observe the bloodhound in the forest. He curls his nose to follow scent trails. You can do the same with your proboscis." Blossom, inspired by Buzz's words, spent days and nights practicing. At first, she struggled, but with persistence, she learned to coil her proboscis, reaching the nectar in the deepest flowers. The other creatures in the meadow marveled at Blossom's new skill. She was no longer a butterfly who missed out but one who could savor the sweetest nectar. From that day forward, Blossom shared her newfound skill with other butterflies. They learned to coil their proboscises, enjoying the sweetness life had to offer. And so, the meadow bloomed with happy butterflies, each one a lesson in perseverance and adaptability. In the end, the moral of this tale is clear: embrace your unique qualities, for they are the keys to unlocking the sweetest experiences life has to offer. Persist, adapt, and share your wisdom with others.